So we are on unit 3 of our bridge course. We have learned words and sounds around us. And today we will revise the difference in sounds. Difference in sounds of which letters? C, G, U, I. Very good. So who will say the two different sounds of C?
Sound of C. S, cylinder, cyclone, circle, certain.
Very good. Good.
Sound
Next.
of C. S,
Very good.
car, cut, wool, carpet, curtain.
Very good. And now who would say the two different sounds of the letter U? G. Who would say? Okay.
Sound of G. S,
Huh.
grapes, girl, green and gold.
Very good.
Sound of G. S, Germany, gymnast, draft, gym.
Very good. Understood everyone? Yes, ma'am. Letter G also has two sounds. Okay now. Who would say the two different sounds of letter U?
Sound of U is up, under, unhappy, us, underline, upper, and umbrella. Sound of U is U, yeah. Unicorn, use, utensil, uniform.
Very good. So, have you understood the two different sounds of U?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now, who would share the two different sounds of I? Two different sounds of I. Yes.
Ice cream, ice, item, idea. Sound of I, S, E, insect, India, inch, invert, igloo, import.
Very good. So, did you understand that the letter I also has two different sounds? This activity is given in our bridge course and you have separated the given words and written in their separate columns.